Hello there, it's PinkLaBlonde and today I'll be showing you my signature elevated beach waves technique. I'll be prepping my model with the full Kérastase Blonde Absolu range to add an extra boost of shine and hydration. I've been specializing in blondes for over 10 years and my goal has always been to create results that don't just look beautiful the day of the appointment, but that still look healthy and luxurious weeks later. I always tell my clients the result is 50% my work behind the chair and the other 50% is how you take care of your hair at home. And that's why I'm obsessed with Blonde Guard from Kérastase. It combines everything I look for in a professional blonde routine. Hyaluronic acid for hydration, vitamin E, vitamin C for antioxidant protection, plus heat protection and UV protection. And also my clients are obsessed with the fragrance. And of course, I love to layer it with the full Blonde Absolu routine, starting with Bain Lumière, then Cicaflash, and sometimes a physiodose. Then, on damp hair, I apply Blonde Guard to prep, protect, smooth, and create the perfect base for styling. As you can see, once the hair is dry, I also love to reapply a small amount of Blonde Guard on the ends, especially for clients who tend to frizz or need that extra boost of shine. For this look, I use a 1.25-inch curling iron, and one of the biggest secrets behind this technique is the size of the sections. I work with fairly large sections following the hair density, usually dividing the head into 3 to 4 main sections. I start around 1 inch behind the front hairline and then work my way back using diagonal back sections all the way to the nape. My sections are typically 1 to 2 inches thick and get a little bit thicker when I reach the back. A great rule to remember is the larger the sections, the softer and more natural the result. And the smaller the sections and subsections, the more defined and curly the final look will be. As you can see, I use fairly quick movements, placing the section inside the barrel, releasing it, then rotating and wrapping again as I move down the hair. I intentionally leave the ends pretty straight. This creates a more modern finish, adds visual length, and prevents the style from looking too done. As I work through each section, I make sure to reapply heat protection to ensure a protected, smooth, and polished finish. And when it comes to finishing product, I actually use very little. I want the hair to remain soft, touchable, shiny, and very natural. And once the curls have completely cooled, I simply run a wide comb through the hair to break everything up. This transforms the curl into soft, elevated waves and create that signature PinkLaBlonde finish. And of course, my client is leaving the salon with the Blonde Absolu routine.